We just picked up these parts in Victoria from Cantu Racing for his mud truck. Offload it right now so I can get it ready, get it primed up, hung up on some racks. It's been raining nonstop, but we're gonna see what we can do, see if we can get it done. So yesterday evening, I got done hanging these mud truck parts with wire, and I used all these horses and stuff to get them hung up. I had to wipe them down with wax and grease remover this morning, and I'm getting ready to spray some epoxy on them. I just got done priming the second batch of parts that came in for Cantu Racing. It came in sandblasted, so all I did was go in there with some wax and grease remover, masked up some of the areas, and I sprayed the epoxy primer on there. That's pretty much it for here. I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry, and I'll come back to that. Some of these parts are gonna go candy purple, and some of them are gonna go silver again. So out here I got this truck, gotta go in there and buff it. I color sanded some of the areas. Today when I went to get the paint for this, they only had a medium clear coat hardener. It gave me trouble trying to lay it wet, but that's ready right now. I'm gonna finish color sanding that and put the buffer on it. So I ordered the Norton 3M liquid ice. That's the one I like, that's the one I use. Some people use different things, it's really preference, but that's the one I use. It's actually sitting over here. I've had a lot of good luck with this stuff. Liquid ice, pretty good stuff, about 40 bucks.